In sports filming, the right camera can mean the difference between immersive, shareable footage and a frustrating edit. Action cameras and compact sports cams continue to shrink in size while expanding in features like 4K 60, AI tracking, waterproofing, and live streaming, making them viable for players, coaches, content creators.
List number 1. Action camera 4K 60 FPS with touchscreen 20MP waterproof camera underwater. HiCam's Speed 1 offers 4K 60 video and 20MP stills with a dual-screen design, 2-inch rear touch display and 1.4-inch front display for selfies and framing, plus an IP-rated waterproof housing for depths up to 131 feet. EIS is present, but limited to 4K 30 or lower, which constrains stabilization at the highest resolution. The package includes two 1350 mAh batteries and supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB with Wi-Fi remote control for smartphone pairing and sharing. Its rugged, all-in-one form factor targets writers, divers, and adventure vloggers who want onboard flexibility without juggling accessories. Performance-wise, the 4K 60 capability is compelling for action sequences, but EIS limitations at 4K 60 means smoother footage is gated behind 4K 30. The dual displays make on-the-go framing easier, especially for helmet mounts or chest cam perspectives. The 170-degree ultra-wide lens helps capture expansive action, though it can introduce pronounced distortions at the edges if not corrected in post. Battery redundancy, 2 batteries, improves shoot time, but the overall form factor remains relatively bulky for ultra-compact POV use. In practice, this camera excels as a helmet-mounted or bike-mounted solution, where visibility and quick framing trump minute stabilization at the highest frame rates.
List number 2. 4K Mini Action Camera 128GB Thumb POV Portable Body Cam Wearable Video Recorder. Interpol's TOS S3 Mini is a thumb-sized 4K camera designed for wearable use, with IPX7 waterproofing rated to 100 feet and a magnetic body design for quick mounting. It emphasizes immersion with an extra-large field of view and extended 90-minute runtime when Wi-Fi is off, aided by low-power operation and sensor efficiency. It ships with 128GB storage and a simple set of mounting options, making it an accessible option for casual POV footage, pet cams, or quick turnaround clips from bikes or helmets. Performance-wise, the camera prioritizes portability and ease of use over high-end stabilization. The 4K footage at 30 FPS remains usable for social posts, but there's no explicit mention of advanced stabilization beyond basic software corrections. The 1-inch screen size is tiny but functional for framing on the go, and the 90-minute runtime is competitive for a camera of this size. However, continuous 4K recording in demanding sports could exhaust the battery quickly. The wireless transfer and direct phone app integration simplify sharing, but users should be aware of potential latency during live Wi-Fi streaming or app control.
List number 3. XBot Go Chameleon AI Auto Sports Action Camera 4K 60 FPS. The XBot Go Chameleon integrates AI-powered sports tracking with 4K 60 capture, a 120-degree ultra-wide lens, and app-based tracking across 20-plus sports. It emphasizes real-time live streaming and highlight generation without subscription fees, with integration to Apple Watch and a Bluetooth remote. The toolkit includes support for live scoreboard features and 20 GB cloud storage, positioning it as a specialized choice for team sports and post-game breakdowns. Performance-wise, the AI tracking capability is the standout factor, enabling both team-wide tracking and follow-me single-player focus. The 120-degree lens helps envelop action, but edge distortion is more pronounced at the extremes. Combined with 4K 60, stabilization quality depends on lens choice and software processing. The absence of a subscription model and cloud simplicity is appealing for coaches and families, but it requires consistent app reliability and a robust smartphone connection for smooth live streaming and remote control. The included features for highlight generation and live streaming make it a strong all-in-one sports capture system.
List number 4. 4K video camera camcorder, 64-megapixel vlogging camera for YouTube, 3.0-inch touchscreen. FJOPK's HDV3051L is a versatile camcorder-like option that pushes 4K recording with 64 megapixel stills, a 3.0-inch touchscreen, and an included external microphone. It bundles a stabilizer, remote, lens hood, 32GB card, and 2 batteries, making it a robust starter kit for vloggers and sports events. The presence of IR night vision and webcam capability broadens its use beyond sports to include live streams and low-light shoots. Performance-wise, the combination of 4K recording and optical zoom to 64mm with an 18x digital zoom offers versatility for event capture and on-field reactions from a distance. The included stabilizer helps reduce shake, but digital zoom can degrade image quality if used aggressively. The webcam mode and external mic improve audiovisual output for live broadcasts, yet the camcorder form factor can be less practical for high-motion sports compared with compact action cams. Overall, it excels for sports events, where you also need close-ups and stable narration or interviews.
List number 5. XSpot Go Chameleon AI Auto Sports Action Camera, 4K 60fps soccer camera. This is the lemon green variant of the XSpot Go Chameleon, offering the same AI-driven team sports tracking, live streaming, and no subscription cloud storage as the lava graphite version with the different color option. It targets families and teams wanting the same AI tracking and highlight features, but in a distinct aesthetic. The device supports 4K 60 recording and a 120-degree wide-angle lens with Bluetooth remote and Apple Watch compatibility. Performance-wise, the features align with the lava graphite model: robust AI-driven tracking for team sports, follow me mode, and integrated live streaming. The 20GB cloud storage and free without subscription appeal to cost-conscious buyers, though users should consider data plans for longer seasons. The pricing remains at a premium level, reflecting the advanced software capabilities, while the hardware remains a solid platform for educational or family-focused sports capture.